Welcome to MTH Health, your go-to channel for beauty, wellness, and self-care tips. Today, we're tackling a topic that might seem a little scary: Brazilian waxes. But don't worry, we've got you covered. A Brazilian wax may seem a little difficult, but the results are worth it. Here are some key benefits: long-lasting smoothness, slow hair regrowth, less irritation than shaving, increased confidence. With proper care, a Brazilian wax will keep your skin smooth for weeks, and over time the hair will become finer and softer again. Before you go to your appointment, there are a few things to keep in mind. Pre-wax tips: hair should be at least 1/4 inch long. Exfoliate 1 to 2 days before. Avoid lotions or oils on the day of the wax. Wear loose, comfortable clothing. These steps ensure that your waxing session is smoother and more efficient. Let's look at what to expect during the waxing process. The process: 1. Cleaning. The area is prepared. 2. Waxing. Wax is applied in sections and quickly removed. 3. Soothing. A soothing lotion is applied afterwards. Although it may feel uncomfortable, the procedure is quick, and over time, many people find it less painful. Aftercare is key to avoiding irritation and ensuring smooth results. After wax care, avoid hot showers, saunas, or tight clothing for 24 hours. Apply soothing lotion or aloe vera. Exfoliate gently after 2 to 3 days. Avoid vigorous exercise for 24 to 48 hours. Following these tips will keep your skin smooth and irritation-free. With the right knowledge and care, a Brazilian wax can be a liberating and empowering experience. Now, you are ready to accept this beauty treatment with confidence. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to MTH Health for more beauty and wellness tips.